As standard, the BMW M2 and M2 Competition has limited rear camber adjustment. Our fully adjustable suspension sequence rear camber arms increase this adjustment substantially. The benefits of adding more rear camber to your BMW, especially with a stiffer spring or a coilover fitted, means that you can generate enough camber to use all of the tyre through the corner for the car to lean onto. This increases traction at the rear of the car and increases speed throughout the corner. We have designed our rear camber arms to be as user-friendly and safe as possible. Our design has a separate adjuster outboard towards the wheel that can be accessed with the wheel fitted with a 17mm spanner. This means that our internal lock nut can be locked off outside of the car, which is often obscured by the subframe when fitted, to ensure that the nut is locked off safely and extremely tight. All of our suspension components are designed and manufactured in-house here at Suspension Secrets on our CNC machines. We manufacture our parts from materials such as 6082 T6 aluminium, such as here on our rear camber arm bodies, or 316 stainless steel, such as on our adjusters and lock nuts. This ensures that adjustment is available throughout the life of the component, and it also increases the reliability and longevity of all of our parts.